Hello my people, I hope this video meets you well. I'll be teaching you how to make this in form of Hermes design. You can see the way it look. It's for unisex. We start with this, tracing of our upper pattern. The pattern will later drop on our short video very soon, so don't mind me. I should have combined it together. So we have to trace our upper on our leather lining. We didn't need to list out the materials anymore because it's as if we are just repeating ourselves. When using it, I'm going to be telling you the materials used. Here is our leather lining. Now it has been traced on our lining. The lining is where our polish will stay. I mean the polishing area. This is the gumming process. Applying gumming to the both lining and leather lining. We are not using leather this time around. We are only using lining and leather lining. Once dry, we gum it together this way, then hammer it together and cut it out into shape. Cut it out into shape. You know this Hermes design, but this kind of Hermes design is rare. It's not that common one. Everyone's do. This one is rare. It's not that common. And you know, me, I didn't normally do common things. I have to come with my own design. I mean my own desired design. You can use your pattern knife to cut it the way it was cut, or you use your scissors. Any one out of the two. You are still getting it right. You can see some people use pattern knife. In the area that I'm using my scissors, but I just decide to use my what is it called? I decide to use scissors to cut mine. And we are still going to arrive in the same design. I mean the same shape. You can see the way it's looking. We are almost done with our upper parts. You can see it now. Look at the final result. Test it. You can see. Then now this is my inner part of my double sole, and what I'm using to join it together for folding is my wall, my Marco 8. So the person wants it to be a bit high. Check grab. So after tracing it, I have to apply gum in the both side. I mean my Marco 8, foreign Marco 8 to be precise. And the inner of my double sole rather. The kind of sole that I'm using in this particular tutorial is complete double sole. Then once I'm done gumming, leave it a little bit for it to dry. Once it's dry, place it on it this way. Very well. After that, you hammer it. After hammering, cut it out into shape. You have to be careful when you are cutting it out. Once we are done cutting, then we come to our filing machine to come and file it. And pay attention to this process. You can see that I'm only filing the edges. You can see now I'm done filing because I'm still going to fold it. Are you getting it? Because I still want to fold it, you can see I apply my allowances because it has to be wrapped. Now after tracing, I have to open it and apply gum at the front only the front, then apply gum on the lining as well. The kind of line I'm using is condom lining. And place it on it this way. And pay attention to how I'm going to fold it. Open it. You can see the way I open it, then use your hand to lay it, so there won't be any form of any angle. You can see. So it's going to slip. It's going to sit well on your insole. If they didn't pay attention to it, they won't know that you even fold it. Then after that, you can apply gum at the edges and your lining that is going inside. the way the gum was applied in this particular video for us to learn. You can see the way it was done here. That's actually the same way you are going to do yours when it comes to your turn. Now for folding, you have to stretch your lining. Use soft lining whenever you want to fold. Stretch it at the side of your insole first before stretching it to the back. The side of your insole should be your first priority when it comes to folding. You can see, once the side are okay, then the back will be alright as well. Then cut out the excess, cut it out. So follow this process and you're going to thank me later. You can see, for folding, use light lining, or let me say light materials. Even though you want to use leather, use soft leather. We have soft leather that is stretchable, that won't have any angle when it comes to you folding. You can see, here's the final result. You can see, follow the same process to do the other feet. Here's the other feet, it has been done already. You have to move to our filing machine and smooth it. Smooth the edges. Smooth the edges the way it was done. You can see, smooth the edges very well. Once you are done with that, here is our upper, stitched upper to be precise. Then here is our insole, our sole, our upper. The upper has been filed already. You can see, just apply gum at the edges. Apply gum at the edges and at the back of your insole. Those are the two areas when it comes to lasting. Here are the two areas where we have to apply our gum. You can see, you have to last. Lasting is very simple. You can see, at the top, move to the back, stretch it, then fold the back. That's all. That's all. You can see, look at it. Follow the same process to do the other feet. Look at this, do it this way so that the other feet is going to correspond with the first feet that you lasted. You can see, after even lasting the second one in present of you guys, you should at least please share my video, subscribe, like, comment. You can see, it's not that easy, but we thank God. You can see the process. The process are actually real. File it. Once you are done filing, apply gum at the edges. Apply gum. Not the edges only, apply gum all, but make sure the gum hits the edges more than the inside, so it won't open easily. Apply gum and retouch it. Apply gum and retouch it with your sole. Now we have to join it together. The final gum, you apply shoe glue at the edges. Apply shoe glue at the edges. Then gum your insole with your sole. With your what? With your sole. That's how it's going to be. You can see, trust the process. The process are real. Try yours. At the corner of your room, you can actually make this. After gumming the back, then move to the front. Shoe glue as well. You can see, and gum it. Once you are done gumming, hammer it together, eat it, chop it. Then here's our result. Look at the way they bling. Subscribe now, like, comment, share, please. Thank you all.
Subscribe to my channel.